Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'll show you how to crochet the T stitch. This stitch forms shapes of the letter T in the work. For my sample, I'm using a size G crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. To begin, chain 34, or any multiple of 12 plus 10. Skip the first 3 chains and make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. That chain 3 will count as a double crochet as well. Then make 1 double crochet in each chain across. Here is the finished row 1. What I've done to make it easier for myself and to show this pattern is this. We have 2 stitches on the end. Then for the next 4 stitches, I'm placing a pin around them because we'll be working with them shortly. Then we have 2 double crochet stitches next, and then I place another pin around the next 4 double crochet, 2 double crochet, then the 4 double crochet again. Keep alternating either with pins or in your mind, 4 double crochet with 2 double crochet. Moving on to row 2, we'll start with the chain 3 and turn your work. On this row, we'll just make 1 double crochet in each stitch across. As a reminder, throughout this pattern, the initial chain 3 will count as a double crochet stitch. Once completed, it should look like this. Moving on to row 3, chain 3 and turn your work. That chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. So we'll make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Next, we have those 4 pinned stitches. In each of the 4 stitches, we'll make a front post double treble crochet. And here's how. Wrap your yarn around the hook 3 times. Then insert the hook 2 rows below around the stitch like this. Yarn over and pull through. Now we yarn over and take 2 loops off at a time until we are left with just 1 loop on our hook. And that's a front post double treble crochet. I'll do this one again. Wrap the yarn around 3 times on the hook. So technically you'll have 4 loops on there. Insert into the next stitch from 2 rows below like this. Then keep making a yarn over and take off 2 loops. This produces a very tall double treble stitch. When we move on to the next stitches, we have to remember to skip the 4 stitches in the back. Our next 8 stitches are just regular double crochet stitches. We are going to crochet over the first 2 double crochet, as well as the next 4 pinned stitches, and then the next 2 double crochet after the pinned stitches. Now it's time to do those 4 front post double treble crochet stitches again. So wrap the yarn around the hook 3 times. Then do what we did before. You can see how I made 4 elongated stitches. Then we do 8 double crochet again. Along the 2 double crochet, the 4 pinned, and the 2 double crochet after that. Now it's time to do those 4 front post double treble crochet stitches again. Now we're at the end. We just have 2 double crochet stitches remaining. Just make 1 double crochet in each of those 2 stitches. And that's what row 3 looks like. You can see how we worked over the first pin, yet we skipped the second one, and did the third, skipped the 4th, and did the final one. For row 4, we'll do the chain 3 and turn our work. We're going to make just 1 double crochet in each stitch across. At the end of this row, you can see what it looks like. For row 5, we'll begin with the chain 3 and turn our work. We're going to do those elongated stitches over the second set of pins. Since our chain 3 is our first double crochet, we'll make 1 double crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. Now, when we come to the next pin, we'll do our elongated stitches over this one. We'll make our stitches 2 rows below, but the pin helps us trace up the stitch so we know which ones we're working into. And as you can see, the 4 front post double treble crochet stitches. Then over the next 8 stitches, we'll make 1 double crochet in each. And this bypassed the very next pin. We're up to the next pin again. As we did before, we'll use these 4 stitches to guide us as to where to make our front post double treble crochet stitches. You can see what this looks like thus far. For the remaining 8 stitches, we'll just make 1 double crochet in each. And that's the end of row 5. Row 6 is pretty simple. We'll just chain 3 and turn our work. And as before, we just make 1 double crochet on each stitch across. That's what row 6 looks like. So moving forward, we're going to chain 3, turn, and then just repeat rows 3, then 4, then 5, and 6. So if you recall on row 3, we did the turning chain 3, and then we made 1 more double crochet next to it. And then we begin the set of 4 front post double treble crochet stitches. Then continue on with the remainder of row 3, followed by 4, 5, and 6. You can see the little T-shape starting to form. And that's how I crochet the T-stitch. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.